Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. We're in December. Now we're starting to get a lot of questions about how do I stop my windows from sweating? Okay, so when I talk about sweating, I'm talking about the inside of your house. That's where the window is sweating. You have exterior condensation, which is something completely different. The windows are gonna do it just like a car would do it, just like any other cold surface that can reach a dew point level where moisture can condense. It's a natural phenomenon. It's something you're going to see. And it's more prevalent on a dual or a 3-pane window. It's just going to happen. Reason why is because it's a high performance window, meaning whatever temperature you want it on the inside, and in this case, if we're talking about sweating windows and condensation, we're talking about colder months here. So when it's warm inside the house, you're warming up the interior pane of your dual pane window, which makes the outside pane of glass susceptible to temperature drop. And when that happens, the moisture in the air that is attaching itself to the glass begins to condensate. It happens. It can be unsightly, and I can understand how some people would say, my goodness, I just spent all this money on these brand new windows and I roll up my shades, condensation. Obviously in your bedrooms and things like that at night when you put everything down because obviously you want privacy, you're basically trapping any of your warm air on the inside of your house from ever reaching the interior pane of glass. It's easy for the air from the outside to transfer from that outside pane to the inside pane. It takes so much less time. Why? Because there's, that much space between your shutter or shade and your glass? So just this little pocket of air here is all that it has to keep it warm. Well, that's not gonna be very strong. It's not gonna take very long for that glass transfer of cold temperatures from the outside to the inside to happen. And once that happens, let's get back to it. The moisture in the air will start to condense once the dew point level has been reached. Your glass didn't leak, your window didn't leak, it's just the air. Keys to not getting the condensation would be to, keep the windows open a little bit. Let the inside air actually reach the glass, but when the sun comes up and starts to hit that glass and warm that pane, maybe by 9, 10 a.m., it's gone and everything is good again. Well guys, hopefully this video helps answer any questions about that. It may not be the answer you want, but that's the true answer. If you have any questions, you always reach out. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.